Very good morning students. I welcome you all to today's maths class. In today's class, I will be teaching you chapter number 13, that is money, exercise 13.1. Okay. Today I will be teaching you operations, different operations you can conduct with money. Like operations of money. Topic is operations in money. Operations in money means how you will operate if multiplication sign is there, add sign is there. So how will you calculate the sum? Okay, using different operations. Now everybody please open exercise 13.1. Okay, now see, solve the following, where I'll be teaching you only two questions, one of add and one of subtract, because it is the easiest thing you can do by your own. Okay. Now solve the following. Question number 1. Okay, we am solving rupees 14.50, rupees 216.25. One thing you will see, all the numbers are arranged in a proper one line. Yes, so that you to avoid confusion. Okay, now let us add it. 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, 10 plus 0 we will cut and write here, and 1 will go as carry. Carry over what? Carry over here. Now 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. Again 6 you will cut and write here, and 1 will go as carry over this. Now 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13 and 1, 14. Again 1 carry will go over here. Now 6, 7, 8 and 1, 9. And now these two numbers are left, 2 plus 1, 3. Here are you write rupees and dot dot dot, in place of decimal you will put decimal. So this is our answer. Okay, how you have to do addition. Now one question of subtraction, let us see. Question number G. Rupees 75 point decimal 36 and rupees 33.24. Okay, now what do we have to do? Which sign is given? Subtraction sign. So just place the sign here and start doing the operation. 6 minus 4, how much? 2. 3 minus 2, 1. In place of decimal, you put decimal. 5 minus 3, 2. And 7 minus 3, 4. So what will be the answer? 42 rupees 12 paise. I told you the number before this point is calculated calculated in rupees, and after point is calculated in paise. So this is how I have solved question number 1. Okay. Plus and minus is very easy, so you can do by your own. Now we will see question number 2. In question number 2, what you have to do? Solve the following. You have to do multiplication and divide. Now see. Question number 2. A I am solving. Okay. Multiply rupees 125.75 paise by 7. So by rupees 7. Okay. So let us do it. You write here rupees 125.75 paise multiplied by what? By rupees 7. Let us, simple multiplication it is. Okay, first of all you have to multiply. No need to, if you don't want to write here, please don't write. At the end we will write anyhow. Okay. Now 7 5s are how much? 35. So 35 of 5 we will cut and write here, and 3 will be left. Now 7 7s are 49, but 3 is left here. So first of all what we will do? We will add. Add 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 52 we got. Now again 2 we will cut and write here, and again 5 will be left. 7 5s are 35. As 5 is left here, so first of all what we will do? Addition. After adding we got 40. So 0 we will cut and write here and 4 will be left. 4 will be left here. Now 7 2s are 40. But as 4 is left, we will first of all add. And all of you know the multiplication. 80. Now 8 we will cut and write here and 1 will be left. Now 7 with the 7 plus 1. How much? 8. Now this rupees you write here. Now you see, point is placed after how many numbers? Point is placed after 2 numbers. So here also after 2 numbers you put point. This is how you have to do multiplication. Nothing is there. Only what you have to do, you have to see after how many digit point is placed. After how many digit point is placed? After 2 digits. So here also in your final answer, after 2 digits you will be placing point. Clear? Now we will see one question of division. I am rubbing. Question number D. Question number D I will be solving. That is what? Divide rupees 410.30 by rupees 10. Okay. So let us see. First of all, you write here 10 and here place the number 410.30. First of all, let us divide it. In the table of 10, obviously 4 will not come. We will have to take 2 numbers together. Now 10 4s are 40. Okay. Minus how much you will get? 10. Now 10 ones are 10. Done. Okay, this is over. Now we will bring 3 down. Alone you cannot do anything. So what you will do this time? We will bring one more number down there. Okay. But whenever we bring 2 numbers down, what do? We place there 0. So let us place 0. But you see, we will first of all here point again. So you give your point. Now bring this. Whenever we bring 2 numbers down here, you will put 0. Okay. Now 3s are 10, 3s are 30. Done. This is how you have to solve multiplication and divide. One question has solved. Rest questions you have to solve by your own. Only one question of multiplication and one question of division is there. So you can solve by your own. Now we will see some of the word problems. Okay. Now the first question is question number 3. You see, Sia purchased a packet of biscuit for rupees 10.50. 10 rupees 50 paise. Okay. And a chocolate for rupees 15. And a bottle of juice for rupees 60 rupees 20 paise. So how much money did she spend in all? So you have to first of all write statement. Okay. How you will write? See, cost of a packet of biscuit. What is the cost? Cost is, you write the rupees and paise. Make separate column. Okay. Now rupees 10 rupees 50 paise. Clear? Now cost of chocolate. Cost of chocolate. I am writing like this. You will write full. Chocolate. Cost of the chocolate is how much? 15 rupees. So 15 we will write rupee in the rupees column and paise is not given, so here we will put 2 zeros. Now cost of a bottle of juice. Cost of a bottle of juice is equal to how much? 60 rupees 12 paise. Sorry, 20 paise. See how I have arranged the numbers. Okay. So line wise you have to straight away write it. Now how much money did she spend in all? So total money spent is equal to how much? What we will do? We will do addition. sign of add and just write it 0, 5, 6, 7. Okay. See, rupees to paise I told you, in order to separate it we give up their point. Now you see 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what is the total sum? 85 rupees 70 paise. Rupees always you will write like this. Okay. 85 rupees 70 paise. Now we will see question number 4. What is in question number 4? Now question number 4 is Nidhi bought a pack of crayons for rupees 70 rupees 25 paise, but she gave salesman rupees 100. So how much change will she get back? Now suppose this happens with you. Okay. You bought a toffee for rupees 10 and you gave shopkeeper how much? Rupees 50. So how much will the shopkeeper give you back? Subtraction we will do here. So same is the case. Here let us see how much total money Nidhi was having. Total amount Nidhi gave to shopkeeper. Nidhi gave to shopkeeper is how much you see here. You write here rupees and this side paise. How much rupees has she given? She has given 100 rupees. And paise side nothing is there, so put 00. Okay. Now what is the cost of crayons? 70 rupees 25 paise. Cost of crayons. What is the cost of crayons? 75 rupees 25 paise, I think. Okay. So first of all we will write paise side 25. Okay. We have written 25. Now this side 70 paise. So from back side we start writing. Okay. Here nothing is there later. Now how much change will she get back? Money Nidhi will get back. Money Nidhi will get back is equal to what you do? Subtraction. Do subtraction here. Okay, so you see 0 minus 5 is not possible, so obviously it will go to take carry. It is also not having, so it will also go to take carry. Now this will ask for this. So finally it will become 9, 9, 9 and 10. This carry and subtraction already have got you. Here 0. Nothing is left. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 0, 9. And 9 minus 7, 2. Okay, we will separate it. So how much money Nidhi will get back? Nidhi will get 29 rupees 75 paise. Clear? So this way you solve this much word problems in your copy. In rest of the rest class we will, in next class we will be discussing rest of the questions. Thank you everyone.